Hey! I hope you're having a wonderful day! And on this day, I'm going to share with you a tutorial for simple autumn nails. The nails that you are currently seeing up on the screen. Since we're in autumn, I thought it was a good time to start sharing autumn-themed posts and videos. So, maybe this will help you get into the spirit of autumn. I know it helped me a little bit. Now, before we get started, I wanted to mention a few things. The first is that my name is Ekaterina, and on this channel I share videos related to fashion, style, nails, and I post one every Friday, so if you like that kind of content and this video, maybe you could subscribe. If not, then we will part ways right here. And the second thing is that I'm actually going to be mid-air when this video goes live. I will be flying on a trip that my parents invited me on to some beautiful national parks and for some fun hiking. Yay! I did prepare videos and posts that are scheduled to go up during the time that I'm away, including this video and blog post, courtesy of my wonderful and very helpful husband, who unfortunately is staying behind to hold down the fort, or just because he couldn't come. I love you, honey! And now that I mentioned that, let's get into the tutorial! And that was it for the tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed it and found it useful. Maybe it gave you some inspiration for your autumn nails, if you're interested in such a thing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And before I go, one more thing. I've been doing this thing where I share a positive thing from my day with you before I finish off the video. And today's positive thing is going to have to be, well, my upcoming trip, which is going to be wonderful. going to spend some quality time with my parents and see some wonderful, beautiful places. What's not to be happy about? Except maybe missing my husband. Not maybe, definitely. So please share something positive with me from your day or life in the comments down below. I'm always happy to read what you have to say. And that's it. Again, thank you for watching. Be you, always. Bye!